Hello everyone, I am Ranjit from Informatica Global Customer Support. In this video, we will see how to configure the PostgreSQL Catalog Source in CDGC. The agenda of today's session is: what is PostgreSQL Scanner? What are all the supported object types of PostgreSQL Catalog Source in CDGC? What are all the prerequisites to configure the PostgreSQL Catalog Source in CDGC? And then we will see on the steps to configure the PostgreSQL Catalog Source along with a quick demo. What is PostgreSQL Scanner? PostgreSQL is an open source relational database management system used as a data store or data warehouse for applications. In Data Governance and Catalog, we use the PostgreSQL Catalog Source to extract metadata from the PostgreSQL source system. Supported object types. The following objects will be extracted as part of the metadata extraction in CDGC. The objects are database, schema, table, view, materialized view. Prerequisites to configure the PostgreSQL Catalog Source in CDGC. In order to extract metadata, configure read access on the following PostgreSQL catalog tables for the user. Now we will see on the steps to configure the PostgreSQL Catalog Source along with a quick demo. In order to create a PostgreSQL Catalog Source in Metadata Command Center, we will be required to create a connection for PostgreSQL in Administrator Service first. To do that, navigate to Administrator Service, click on Connections and create a new connection. Here I have provided the connection name and selected the type as PostgreSQL and provided the valid runtime environment and provided the credentials for PostgreSQL database. Once entered, we can test the connection. Once test connection was successful, we can save the catalog source. Once the connection is created successfully, we can navigate to Metadata Command Center to create the catalog source. So navigate to Metadata Command Center, click on New, select PostgreSQL, and under connections we can choose the connection that is created in Administrator Service. Once the details were entered, we can click on Next, and under metadata extraction choose the valid runtime environment. And under filter conditions, we can enter the filter in any of the below supported formats. Here I am extracting the data using schema name. Once entered, navigate to Data Classifications and enable Data Classification, and click on Data Classification rules to select the data element classifications and data entity classifications that were created in Metadata Command Center. Once added, navigate to Glossary Association and enable Glossary Association. Once the details were entered, we can save the catalog source. And execute the catalog source. Here I have already created a catalog source with similar configurations. Once the job is completed successfully, we could see the assets in data governance and catalog. Here we could see the table extractor, and under contains tab we could see the column details of the tables, and under the glossaries tab we could see the glossaries associated as part of the glossary association job, and under classifications we could see the classifications that were curated as part of the data classification job from MCC. And under lineage tab we will be seeing the lineages that were applicable for this table, and under relationships tab we will be seeing the relationships that are applicable for this table. We would love to hear feedback from you. Thanks for watching.